Welcome to Discourses by Shri Brahmachaitanya Maharaj Gondavalekar. Today, we'll explore the February 12th discourse on Nama is the ultimate truth in essence, where we delve into how the practice of nama-smarana helps us understand and connect with the ultimate reality. Nama is doubtlessly superior to the form, so even if you are unable to visualize the form while meditating on Nama, persist in the meditation. The form will follow in due course. The form, being material and perceptible, is subject to birth, growth and decay, occupation and change of space, change in the course of time, and such other limitations. Nama is subtle, transcendent to perception, causation, birth, growth, diminution and decay, nor is it subject to dimension, change of position, limitations of time and space, etc. It is, in fact, the ultimate truth, and more comprehensive and omnipotent than form. What is more potent is obviously more independent, that is, less restricted, less limited. Therefore, Nama is more extensive and pervading, more powerful, more independent, more free of limitations than the form. Let us examine the process whereby we imbibe knowledge. Suppose we stand on a hilltop and survey the scenery around us. Firstly, the rays of light from all the objects pass through the eyes to the brain. Sense organs are thus the instruments of knowledge of external objects. The sensations conveyed by the senses are coordinated by the mind, and the intellect, by its power of discrimination, gives them an interpretation, so that we come to know what the object really is. But the function of human intelligence does not end there. After perceiving these objects severally, the trees, creepers, houses, gardens, humans, birds, lakes and so on, it synthesizes all of them and creates the conception of scenic beauty. This coordination of separate impressions, perceiving unity and diversity, is a unique characteristic of human knowledge. In this world, we notice such a variety in everything. Diverse types of stones, insects, birds, animals, all of them share one common quality: existence, whether they are living or non-living. Similarly, even the emotion of joy exists or has existence. This quality of existence is Nama, the divine name, or Omkar, the symbol of the ultimate reality, Paramatman, the cosmic soul. Therefore, Nama was there at the beginning of creation, it is there today, and it will survive even the destruction of all creation. Nama is God, it gives rise to myriad forms which eventually re-merge into it. Personal reflectio on the discourse. Consider a river and its source as an analogy. The river represents the various forms and manifestations in the universe, while the source symbolizes Nama, the divine name. Just as the river flows from its source, all forms and manifestations emanate from Nama. When we look at a river, we see the flowing water, the currents, and the banks. These are the perceptible material aspects of the river. However, the source of the river, often hidden in the mountains or underground springs, provides the essential water that sustains the river's flow. Without the source, the river would dry up and cease to exist. In the same way, Nama is the subtle, transcendent essence that sustains all forms and manifestations in the universe. While the river undergoes various changes, flowing through different landscapes, merging with other water bodies and sometimes drying up, the source remains constant and continues to provide water. Similarly, forms and manifestations in the universe are subject to birth, growth, decay and change. But Nama remains eternal and unchanging. It is the ultimate truth that transcends all limitations of time, space and perception. By persistently chanting Nama, we connect with this eternal essence and experience the ultimate reality. Just as the source of the river is not always visible but is essential for its existence, Nama may not be immediately perceptible, but it is the foundation of all creation. By focusing on Nama, we transcend the limitations of form and experience the true, unchanging essence of the divine. Therefore, let us embrace nama-smarana with unwavering faith and dedication, knowing that it is the ultimate truth that sustains and nourishes our spiritual journey. Just as the river draws its water from its source, we too draw our spiritual strength from nama, the divine essence that connects us with the ultimate reality. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of nama is the ultimate truth in essence. Remember, by persistently chanting nama and connecting with its transcendent nature, we can understand and experience the ultimate reality. Embrace this practice with unwavering faith, and may it bring you peace and fulfillment in your journey. May nama bring you peace, contentment, and divine connection in your journey.